Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English Easier and Faster. Do you want to talk about real future situations with confidence? Today, we're mastering the first conditional in just 9 minutes. This structure helps you talk about real possibilities, give advice, and make promises. We'll practice 60 useful examples in 3 sections. First, real future possibilities. Next, warnings and advice. And finally, decisions and promises. The rule is simple. We use the present simple after if and will for the result. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence after me. Now, let's begin with real future possibilities. If it rains, we'll stay home. If it rains, we'll stay home. If you call me, I'll answer. If you call me, I'll answer. If she arrives early, we'll start. If she arrives early, we'll start. If they hurry, they'll catch the bus. If they hurry, they'll catch the bus. If we leave now, we'll arrive sooner. If we leave now, we'll arrive sooner. If he studies tonight, he'll pass. If he studies tonight, he'll pass. If you try again, you'll improve. If you try again, you'll improve. If she practices daily, she'll progress. If she practices daily, she'll progress. If they focus, they'll succeed. If they focus, they'll succeed. If we prepare well, we'll win. If we prepare well, we'll win. If he wakes early, he'll feel better. If he wakes early, he'll feel better. If you listen carefully, you'll understand. If you listen carefully, you'll understand. If she saves money, she'll travel. If she saves money, she'll travel. If they train hard, they'll compete successfully. If they train hard, they'll compete successfully. If we act quickly, we'll solve it. If we act quickly, we'll solve it. If he checks twice, he'll avoid mistakes. If he checks twice, he'll avoid mistakes. If you speak clearly, they'll understand. If you speak clearly, they'll understand. If she plans ahead, she'll relax. If she plans ahead, she'll relax. If they invest wisely, they'll grow. If they invest wisely, they'll grow. If we stay calm, we'll think clearly. If we stay calm, we'll think clearly. Next, let's talk about warnings and advice. If you touch that, you'll burn yourself. If you touch that, you'll burn yourself. If you skip sleep, you'll struggle. If you skip sleep, you'll struggle. If she ignores advice, she'll regret it. If she ignores advice, she'll regret it. If they delay payment, they'll face penalties. If they delay payment, they'll face penalties. If we rush decisions, we'll risk errors. If we rush decisions, we'll risk errors. If he drives too fast, he'll crash. If he drives too fast, he'll crash. If you overeat, you'll feel sick. If you overeat, you'll feel sick. If she avoids practice, she'll stagnate. If she avoids practice, she'll stagnate. If they argue loudly, they'll disturb the neighbors. If they argue loudly, they'll disturb the neighbors. If we waste time, we'll fall behind. If we waste time, we'll fall behind. If he lies again, we'll confront him. If he lies again, we'll confront him. If you complain constantly, people will avoid you. If you complain constantly, people will avoid you. If she hesitates too long, she'll miss chances. If she hesitates too long, she'll miss chances. If they overspend, they'll lose savings. If they overspend, they'll lose savings. If we neglect details, we'll fail. If we neglect details, we'll fail. If he forgets deadlines, he'll disappoint clients. If he forgets deadlines, he'll disappoint clients. If you ignore feedback, you'll repeat mistakes. If you ignore feedback, you'll repeat mistakes. If she resists change, she'll struggle. If she resists change, she'll struggle. If they panic, they'll lose control. If they panic, they'll lose control. If we procrastinate, we'll regret it. If we procrastinate, we'll regret it. Finally, let's talk about decisions and promises. If you need help, I'll support you. If you need help, I'll support you. If she asks politely, I'll explain. If she asks politely, I'll explain. If they call tonight, we'll respond. If they call tonight, we'll respond. If we get approval, we'll proceed. If we get approval, we'll proceed. If he apologizes, I'll forgive him. If he apologizes, I'll forgive him. If you show effort, I'll guide you. If you show effort, I'll guide you. If she shares ideas, we'll consider them. If she shares ideas, we'll consider them. If they cooperate fully, we'll succeed together. If they cooperate fully, we'll succeed together. If we receive updates, we'll adjust plans. If we receive updates, we'll adjust plans. If he improves quickly, we'll promote him. If he improves quickly, we'll promote him. If you stay consistent, I'll mentor you. If you stay consistent, I'll mentor you. If she commits fully, we'll invest more. If she commits fully, we'll invest more. If they finish early, we'll celebrate. If they finish early, we'll celebrate. If we reach an agreement, we'll sign. If we reach an agreement, we'll sign. If he respects rules, we'll trust him. If he respects rules, we'll trust him. If you stay focused, I'll reward you. If you stay focused, I'll reward you. If she completes training, we'll certify her. If she completes training, we'll certify her. If they deliver quality, we'll renew contracts. If they deliver quality, we'll renew contracts. If we achieve targets, we'll expand. If we achieve targets, we'll expand. If he proves himself, we'll recommend him. If he proves himself, we'll recommend him. Excellent job! You've finished 60 useful first conditional sentences. Did this practice help you today? If you keep repeating it, your fluency will improve dramatically. Thank you for watching Learn English Easier and Faster. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.